I'm going to add one more thing here. And this is kind of a novel concept that we're learning about called the gut-eye connection. So many people are talking about the gut microbiome and how it may impact the health of our brain or our heart or our skin, our immune system. But there are also links with the gut microbiome and our visual health, our eye health. And there's some really early studies, really interesting studies looking at gut dysbiosis, which is when you have too many unhealthy bacteria compared with healthy bacteria in your gut. Gut dysbiosis linked to macular degeneration. So again, this research is still in its very infancy, and we're still learning about it. But what I counsel my patients is you just want to try to do whatever you can to keep your gut healthy. And sometimes people look at me a little bit odd, but then I explain it to them. The gut microbiome is responsible for interacting with our immune system, and macular degeneration is caused by inflammation and disruption in the immune system and complement. So I tell them, okay, even though we may not know which specific bacterial species may be linked, the goal is to try to maintain a healthy gut microbiome. How can you best do that? Well, yes, you could take a probiotic supplement, but better than that, include foods in your diet that are probiotic, live probiotic foods, and also prebiotic foods. And if you include those and rotate through those on a regular basis, you'll be keeping your gut healthy also.
Would you mind sharing a little bit some of your go-to? Is it yogurt or kimchi or?
Whatever people prefer. So anything fermented. So yogurt is a great option. Kimchi, sauerkraut, not just in vinegar, but actually fermented. You can make your own fermented vegetables, which is a great activity, a great family activity also. And then I love kombucha. So fermented tea, that's one of my favorites. And then in terms of those are probiotics. And then prebiotics are the foods that bacteria thrive on, that our gut bacteria love to thrive on. So you want to eat foods that are basically rich in fiber, like, for example, asparagus. Some of the leafy greens are also great prebiotic foods. So if you include those, you're also feeding your gut. So it's a win-win in terms of your gut health and your eye health. Again, this is very early research, and I think probably in the next 5 to 10 years, we're going to be learning a lot more about which specific strains may be associated with macular degeneration. But you can always just start early and do small things to keep your gut healthy as well.